Good morning, dear student. Welcome back to my class. Today I'll be discussing about the one chapter from the geography, that is natural resources. So, uh, this geography part. So, we'll basically discuss about the natural resource. Uh, the meaning will in these lessons basically we'll try to know about the what is natural resource. That means concept about the resource. We'll discuss about the different type of the natural resource, and we'll discuss about in these lessons that how resource are affect to the human life, and we'll discuss in these lessons about that how can we use the resource that can save the natures. That means we can say that we'll discuss about the sustainable resources. How can we sustain the resource? So stay with me, I'll be discuss about the resource. First we come to know about the introductions part, that is resource. So what do you mean by resource? Resource means anything that satisfied our needs, fulfill our needs, we can consider as a resource. Suppose our environment, the things which provide by the our environment, we can consider as resource, because these are the things which are nature provide us, fulfill our need and sustain our living. So the things we can say that's resource. So that is resource. So the peoples, we can say that the peoples who provide their service and knowledge also known as resource. The people who provide their service and knowledge to the known as the resource. These are the peoples. These are the peoples and the things hold the value of resource in a given time, and given time on a particular places are considered as also become the resource. So the human, with the human also consider become a resource. How? Because the people, the peoples of the society, of the country consider as the human resource, because it is the human who provide their knowledge and their service to the society, that get benefited by the people of the society. So that's why human own self consider as a resource, and it is the most valuable resource considered to the or compared to the or compared than the other resource. So even we see that in our society those people do not work, stay at home. Suppose these are people, so elderly people, social worker, they are supposed to be staying at home. These are the peoples also considered as the resource for their family, for the society, because these are the people also bring the moral value and help to the society. So I think this is the concept clear about the resource. Now come to that, even with the some of the resource that are have in the nature, and that is provided by the nature, that is provided by the natures, as a raw. This resource with the help of the modern technology or science, we can convert into usable form, so for our convenience. So that means we can, I clearly want to say that some of the resource we are converting for some of the resource that are we are making for our convenience, that is nature provide to us, and some of this resource, that resource are given natural form, which is therefore nature are giving to us, directly giving to us. So this resource we are just enjoying directly as provided by the natures at natural form, and this resource are as a sense of our appreciation. So that is the introduction part about the resource. So in my next video I'll discuss about the value of resource, type of resource, how the resource affect to the human life, and sustainable resources, how to sustain the resource. We'll discuss. Thank you.